Good morning. Well, I made it through the storm last night. That was crazy. I obviously had to scrap my original plan. Turns out the winds went up to 92 miles per hour where I was going. So, plan B, I'm in Chillicothe. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, Ohio. It's an interesting scene around me. I'm waiting for the antique malls to open. I found a bunch of new places that I've never been before. I'm excited to start the day, and it's at least sunny out. So let's start it off at the American Vintage Warehouse. Right off the bat, holy crap. Look at that fish. That thing's wild. I think I'm gonna start in this little nook down here. Ooh, and they opened early. I love that for me. Yesterday was kind of rough, but my own making. $10 for that planter. Wow. Oh, nope, it's just a manufacturing. I'm gonna be a little selective. I've had a bunch of those before. I wanna try and find things that I haven't had before or haven't seen before primarily, especially because this is my first stop technically of my epic, well, technically it's not, my epic road trip number 2. Crazy decanter. Some cute little figurines. Look at this one with the bug on it. $11. It's really hard to find these with the bugs on them still. I kind of want to get that even though it's closed. And then they've got this little sweet sleeping cat that's only $3. Yeah, I think I kind of have to get that since it's got the bug on it still. Those are hard to find. Still intact. That's a fun little mug. Oh, little pink perfume bottle. I had one of these recently, but it's so cute with the heart stopper. $10. It's not a bad buy. Although the stopper seems to be kind of stuck in there. What is happening here? Oh, I thought they were salt and pepper shakers. Incense burner. Clown. I could do without the clown. Another little nook here. This looks like the bottom of the decanter I left in Ohio last time. Or I was in, where was I? I was in North Carolina. It's hard to keep track. 18. Joe St. Clair. Very nice. This looks very promising back here, although so far the prices in this booth are kind of close. What is this face? That's weird. 48, that's a pretty one. $30, an unusual color. Look at the, oh, the poodle planter, that's great. 25 though. That's USA Pottery. Can't forget my bug dog, my bug dog. I love the owl salt and pepper shakers, but they're definitely at retail. Some jewelry, really interesting glass. Let's see what else is in this. Some more fenton. 10. What about the vase? That's pretty. $10. It's a little dirty, but I think that will clean up all right. I think I'm gonna take that. That's a nice hobnail. Oh, look at these fenton amethyst like carnival finish tumblers. 32 for the pair. Those are really pretty. A nice eclectic mix so far. Let's see what we got around the corner here. I've actually never been a Barbie person, but this Barbie trunk is amazing. I love the graphic on that. $20. I actually have bought and sold some Barbie cases in the past. I see people get good money for them, but it's just not really my bag. Honestly, I haven't had much luck with them. Some random object that I'm attracted to because of the color. That is such a fun Raggedy Ann lamp. Let's see, another eclectic booth. A lot of stimulation here. That looks German. What's happening here? It is German. It's a clown with a pig with a money bag. And it's $7.50. That's super weird. I'm kind of into it. I feel like for $7.50, it might break my not not firm clown roll. Just because it's so weird. And like, is he on like a thing of lettuce? There's a lot of questions I have about this. Look at this owl. What is that? Vintage tin owl. String holder. He's so fun. I don't know about $18.50 though. That might be a little close for me for resale. Here's some fun smalls. Look at this paperweight. It's kind of nice. 10 bucks. The lady with the uke. Those are kind of a pain to ship, but I do it all the time. It's just not my favorite. Look at this bird. 22. That's really interesting. Unusual shape for sure. If it was a little bit less, I would gamble with it. Well, I don't think it's that much of a gamble, but oh my gosh. Look at these. Those are fantastic. Japan Boy and Girl on swing set. I love those, but those types of figurines are super hit or miss for me. So at that price, even though I personally think it's a deal, I'm gonna stay away because I don't want to lose money on them. I would be upset because they're so cool. The chalkware up there, the little sailor girl, she's 21. That's not bad. And of course, I just now find the baskets. And I'm gonna head upstairs. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Little vintage baby porcelain, a girl in chair, $9, and her flowers intact. That's adorable. Those ones with that kind of expression on the chair usually do pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. It's in really good condition, and they're kind of getting harder to find. I used to find them all the time. I like the lighting up here. Now this is cool. It's a collar box. Antique collar box with collar, $20. Dude, what? That's super cheap. It's amazing. It's got a little bit of wear, but still, for what it is, it's absolutely special. If I was going to keep that, I would buy that 100%. Although I don't really want to be responsible for something this fragile. Those fall apart really easy. And there's too much that could happen between the time I pick it up to the time I get it to you. Look at this little tin. Is it? Oh, good, it is a tin. I was hoping it wouldn't be paper. Heather Rouge. True Red. That's cute. Vintage makeup usually does pretty good. For $5, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. That's really sweet. I love the graphic. Some more Fenton. This is cute. Look at this. Toothpick. Blue glass pitcher. Oh, that's adorable. $5. That's a really pretty color. Is that sticky stuff or is it cracked? Can't tell because of my nail being too long. I think it's just a little dust. I'll take that for $5. Some ruffled edge milk glass. Really pretty. Silver crest, $10. It's a really good deal. Pink depression glass. Jeanette. Oh, that's so cute. The covered dish. $25 though. That's probably about what I'd get for that after fees. Ooh. Bangles. $2 for both. And then you got a Moon Glow lucite one in there and it's green. I'll take that. And what about you? $12 with the paint loss. I don't want to mess with that. This is kind of strange. I had like one in that similar style that I got on my road trip last year. It was a girl, and it was a cat girl. It was the best thing ever. $8 on the pig, but again, somewhere. Lots of jadeite and lots of milk glass. All right, up here is the first place I'm gonna scope. 16 on the cat. Ooh. 85. Yeah, those look like the older ones. $22. That's a good buy. Still, I don't know. It's a little bit more than I'd like to have invested. It's close to a price I would jump at, though. Wait a minute. There's one way to tell if it's actually older. I forgot I have this black light. The newer jadeite does not glow. Doesn't look like that does either. It might still be older. I'm not too familiar with how the older stuff works because it's honestly quite hard to find. I usually just see the reproduction, but for $22, I'm gonna leave it. What's this weird girl? It's a bell. I thought it was a woman sitting on something. I don't know where I was going with that. This place just keeps going. A lot of little nooks to pay attention to. Love this jar. Wait, $12? Why is it $12? That seems super cheap. That's a really nice one. Oh, it's kind of a pain to ship. I've done it before. It takes a lot of material. Oh, egg on the loose. Hold on, let me regroup. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell how pink, good grief, pink this is in that light, but it's really pretty. It's also $12. It does have like a weird manufacturing line in it that I'm kind of nervous about, but it's still a good buy. I'm a little on the fence just because of how much packing material that would take, and that line just does look like a crack even though it's not. It might be a deterrent. And then back here, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? Flower frog. Another Fenton shoe. This is a candle holder. I thought it was a vase from afar. Lots of milk glass here. $8. That's cute. For $8, I'll take that. $10 on the shoe. Whoa, wait a minute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. 22, but that color. Is that a chip? Oh, nope, it's chipped and cracked. I'm really glad I saw that because I was about to get that. And $12.50 on this big Fenton vase. That's really nice. It looks like it's marked too, 76. Now I'm like, is this cracked? That's really pretty for $12.50. That's a nice size. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Just double checking it over. And just as I was about to check out, I saw this Fenton compote, $10, and that's a glower. That's really pretty. That's a good price. I'll take that too. Well, that was a deal. I spent $84 in there, and I am ready to keep on rocking. So I will see you guys when I get to my next stop.